Right. Me and my bro here is right now standing in the hotel of. You probably heard of Loden New York Palace, right? Whatever I said. Yeah, whatever. Look, you can just see it from here. With literally the biggest hotel in the world, with literally a very well, not in the world, yeah, but by definition the one with the biggest Christmas tree around here, at the Drug Club, and also a lot of places with a very good street, which is on Madison Street, 50 and 50 for first, blah 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 blah, whatever. And it's open to public here. And look, let me see the rules here. Jaden, I can't understand this. Let's skip it. Yeah. What? What? No, I want to show him that. Oh, that? Okay, this is a regular castle, mate. Never mind, and that's it. I could show you the insides, but well, probably that's all I can show.
You can show inside.
No, we're not going to show inside. We are going to show inside. Nah, just kidding, though. Right, status update. We just had our lunch in a ramen station, and we're in WP Street, where we are in the home of Jimmy Fallon. Yeah, the radio show, right? Well, I can't actually zoom there, but as you can see up there, we can already know what it is. I just don't know his shooting star time. It's really good though. Oh yeah! And right next to his building is balls, Christmas balls, Christmas Tingle Bells. I don't know. And that's Radio City, which is in W50 Street. What? Did I just repeat myself? Yeah, I just maybe. Oh yeah, and by the way, you should try the hot dogs over here. It's actually very good. I definitely recommend you. It's only like about 50 cents or half $1, 0.5, whatever. 0.5, 50 cents. It's good enough. Anyway, status update. I really had a great time here for day 3, and just stay tuned for the next thing, which is going to be the Apple Store. Right, and I thought it's going to be really fun ride. To be honest, I have no idea where Jimmy Fallon is, but wherever he is, he's probably having a new guest with someone. I don't know, well, probably one of those, what is it again? Oh, those performers in last year's volume, Post Malone or BTS. I don't know. They could be here anywhere. Anyway, we're good news right now. Anyway, I think I saw him there. No, it's not there. Never mind. Let's not make this awkward. Right, I just actually come out of the building, and next thing, right at the back of the building, I saw is that a big skiing place. Yeah, I have no idea what it's called, but whatever it is, it was very great. Never mind. Back to him. Entering Central Park, which is one of the biggest 50-block park in the world. Oh yeah, with a lovely hotel over here, which is called Plaza, and also probably a place where Home Alone was. You know, Home Alone 2 was, where Kevin McAllister, and also a good with the display over there. Yes, I know. The most viewed or movie place in the world. And since I'm gonna visit all this, I'm probably gonna have to time warp all this for a while. And there we go. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. But we'll go back to that later since we're going to the park first. We'll go back for that. Nice. This is heaven. Flippin' heaven. Flippin' heaven. Right, giant ground. What do we get? And this is apparently a cliff over here, but I'll give you the best. Right, rock climb.
It's because in the paintings, this is where they.
And that's all I can give you, folks. Folks.
No, I don't. Okay. I don't really know how to.
And here we are in another ski park, which is probably the main lake over there. And it's too full. I don't think we can go through it. Maybe one day though. Anyway, that would be actually a very bad idea since the last time I went skiing I broke my ass twice.
Ah!
I just said that, did I?